Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will go over various platforms or places where you can blog. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Lesson 2. Where to blog. It can be difficult to decide where to post your blog when there are a ton of options to choose from. In this chapter, we'll go through some of the best and most popular blogging platforms available. Your website. This is a no-brainer. If your company already has a website, the best place to have your blog will be alongside the rest of your content. However, not all websites are built from scratch. Some company sites are built using website builders and blogging platforms, which will be the structure of our following options. WordPress.org. WordPress.org is the world's most popular blogging platform. To date, there are 455 million websites built through WordPress, making up to 35% of all websites in the world. It's known for being incredibly customizable, allowing you to insert a lot of add-on features like forums, online stores, and membership options. WordPress is the #1 choice of most people to build their own website. If you plan to grow your blog into a full website, this is your best option. Another well-known feature of WordPress is having the luxury of choosing from thousands of free themes and plugins. Plugins are basically apps that extend the functionality of your website, enabling you to add more features like contact forms, galleries, timelines, etc. These powerful tools make the most out of your site, turning it into a more elegant yet accessible page. However, don't confuse WordPress.org with WordPress.com, for there is a difference. The main distinction between the two is that WordPress.org is a self-hosted solution, meaning that it requires you to provide a hosting provider. This is a great option, as your goal is to have full control over your blog. On the other hand, WordPress.com takes care of the hosting for you, and it's best suited for hobby bloggers and family blogs. However, the features and options are very limited compared to WordPress.org, so when creating a blog for your business, make sure that you're signing up on WordPress.org and not WordPress.com. Wix. Like WordPress, Wix is very easy to use even without any programming experience. With its signature drag-and-drop tools, you can design your very own blog in just a couple of minutes. These tools take away the rigorous part of building a website, the coding. In fact, Wix is mainly intended for users who want to build a website without any coding experience. However, its free account has quite limited options, like third-party app support. Using the free version also means that it will display the Wix watermark, as well as its own ads on your site. Another downside is that you can't change your theme once you've chosen a template. If you want full access to all of Wix features, you need to avail their paid plans starting from $12.50 to $24 a month. Note, however, that even its paid features like e-commerce tools are still limited compared to big platforms like WordPress.org. Blogger. Blogger is a free blog publishing service owned by Google. It's user-friendly and suitable for those who want to start a blog without any technical skills. More importantly, it takes advantage of Google's robust security and reliability. It's highly accessible, having an interface similar to Google+ profile and an editor looking like a docs page. Blogger is a solid solution for personal blogs, but may not be the best option for business purposes. It has very limited design options, and third-party apps are below par. Moreover, probably its biggest drawback is being limited to basic blogging tools, making it incapable of expanding to a full website once your business grows. Another disadvantage is that Blogger has a history of canceling projects without warning. This means that Google can suspend your blog at any time. Squarespace. Squarespace is a paid platform that's user-friendly and has a great range of professional website templates that are well optimized for phones and tablets, and can be customized to your preference. Squarespace is a great option for bloggers, and contains features for blogs like commenting features, multi-author functionality, post scheduling, and more. Another aspect that makes Squarespace stand out amongst competitors is its editor usability. With its new feature, you can now edit content in real time without switching back and forth between the site manager and preview mode. With Squarespace's online editing, you can now edit faster and easier. However, There are not a lot of features and third-party integration options available. It also has limited SEO customizations, which limits your blog from becoming SEO friendly. Their personal plan starts at $12 a month, while their business plan starts at $18 a month. However, if you plan to keep your expenses at the minimum while still taking the full advantages, you may want to switch to a different platform, like WordPress. Weebly. Weebly is a website and e-commerce service very similar to Wix, and can be said to be close rivals. Like Wix, Weebly is based around drag-and-drop components, making it easy to build a website in no time. It has customizable layouts and a bunch of free themes to choose from. However, it has limited blogging tools, and you need to pay more to get better customer support. Their paid plans include a pro account for $12 a month and a business account for $25 a month. They have a Connect account for $5 a month that just basically allows you to connect a domain, so it's not worth paying for. Once you've chosen your platform and finished setting up your blog, the next thing you need to do is consider how often you should post content. A simple answer is this: it depends on what's best for your company. However, let's take a look at some statistics to see how many posts businesses found to have more success. Blogs that post 2 to 4 times per week get the biggest traffic. Companies that publish 16 or more blog posts per month get almost 3.5 times more traffic than those who post 4 or fewer times a month. In companies of every size, posting 11 or more blog posts a month created at least double the traffic of those who rarely posted. The lesson? The more consistent your posts are, the better. When you have a regular frequency of blog posts, you increase your organic traffic, or referring to the visitors that land on your website. More importantly, regular content increases brand awareness, giving you credibility as a trustworthy source of information for your target audience. For your blogs to reach the highest number of people, you have to use all the channels available for sharing content. This can be in the form of social media, email lists, and paid searches. The beauty of having blog content is that it can be easily shared with your existing social media accounts, as well as your email lists. When you share your content with your existing audience, there's a good chance that they will help you spread the word by sharing it with their own platforms. When creating content, make sure that it's integrated with search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is the process of improving the quantity and quality of traffic to your website, so you can rank higher in search engines. You must ensure that every blog is SEO optimized, so you can get the most traffic out of it. To make your blog SEO friendly, you need to be able to apply on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to optimizing web content in order to rank higher in search engines. These techniques include optimizing title tags, using focus keywords, mobile optimization, and more. On the other hand, off-page SEO focuses on increasing the authority of your domain by getting links from other websites. This includes backlinks, social media marketing, guest blogging, brand mentions, and more. When your blogs are SEO optimized, you'll rank higher in search engines, increasing your visibility to potential customers. The best content for search engines is information that provides solutions to questions asked by customers. When your content is built in a way that you answer specific questions in mind, the more likely that potential customer will read your blog.